Thinking about buying a used car? It can save you thousands, but only if you choose the right one. Some used cars look great on the outside, but hide serious transmission issues that can lead to major headaches. Transmission repairs aren't cheap, and being stuck without a car can throw your life off track. In today's video, we'll go over 10 used cars with the worst reputations for transmission problems, based on real owner reports and Consumer Reports data. If you want to avoid expensive surprises, make sure to watch until the end. Let's dive into the list. Chevrolet Traverse, 2012 to 2013. Delayed shifts and driving worries. The 2012 and 2013 Chevrolet Traverse might look like a solid SUV with plenty of room and power, but the transmission tells a different story. These models are known for having delayed downshifts. That means when you press the gas, the vehicle takes too long to respond. This can be scary, especially when you're trying to merge onto a highway or pass another car. The Traverse comes with a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Unfortunately, this combination hasn't worked out well for many owners. One person shared that their SUV hesitated every time they tried to accelerate, which made them nervous in fast traffic. These small problems often lead to big repair bills, making the Traverse a risky used SUV to buy. Nissan Altima, 2016. A CVT you can't trust. The 2016 Nissan Altima may look like a reliable budget-friendly sedan, but it's gained a bad reputation for one reason: its continuously variable transmission, CVT. Owners have complained about sudden failures, slipping, jerky movements, and a lack of acceleration when they need it most. What's worse is that replacing a CVT is not cheap. It can cost thousands of dollars. Compared to competitors like the Toyota Camry and Honda Accord, which both offer better long-term reliability, the Altima falls short. If you're thinking about getting a used midsize car, the 2016 Altima is one to avoid. The potential transmission issues can wipe out any savings you thought you were getting. Nissan Rogue, 2011. Rough rides and loud noises. The 2011 Nissan Rogue is another vehicle on this list with a troublesome CVT. It has a 2.5-liter engine, but the transmission often struggles to keep up. Many owners have reported slow acceleration, loud whining noises, and complete transmission failure, sometimes as early as 70,000 miles. These problems often start small, like jerky shifting or strange sounds, but quickly turn into bigger and more expensive repairs. One Rogue owner even said their car completely broke down during a road trip with their family, leaving them stranded. If you want a reliable SUV, the 2011 Rogue should not be at the top of your list. Infiniti QX60, 2014. The luxury SUV with unreliable performance. At first glance, the 2014 Infiniti QX60 seems like a perfect luxury SUV. It offers sleek styling, leather-trimmed seats, advanced technology, and a comfortable ride. However, beneath that polished exterior lies a major issue: its continuously variable transmission, CVT. Owners have reported frequent problems like jerky or delayed shifting, loud whining noises, and hesitation during acceleration. One driver mentioned that their QX60 would lag dangerously when merging into fast-moving traffic, making it feel unsafe on highways. The transmission not only affects performance, it creates stress every time you drive, and because the QX60 is a premium vehicle, the repair costs are far from budget-friendly. Transmission replacements can exceed $4,000, and even diagnostics or minor repairs are expensive at luxury service centers. While the QX60 may tempt buyers with its upscale features and Nissan's reputation, its known transmission issues make it a questionable purchase. If you're looking for reliable performance and long-term value, this is one luxury SUV you might want to skip. Ford Fiesta, 2011 to 2014. A small car with big transmission problems. The Ford Fiesta from 2011 to 2014 is another car to be cautious of, especially because of its dual-clutch automatic transmission. It was supposed to offer better performance and fuel efficiency, but instead, many owners reported jerky movement, delayed acceleration, and full transmission failure. These problems usually start soon after 40,000 miles and get worse over time. Some drivers said the car would hesitate or even stop responding in the middle of traffic. That's not only frustrating, it's dangerous. While the Fiesta is cheap to buy, the potential repair costs and hassle are not worth the risk. You're better off spending a little more on a used car with a stronger reputation. Nissan Murano, 2011 to 2013. Transmission trouble hiding behind style. The Nissan Murano from 2011 to 2013 may offer a smooth ride and nice features, but don't let that fool you. These model years have been hit hard by CVT-related problems. Slipping gears, sudden power loss, and rough shifting are just a few of the complaints. Some drivers experienced full transmission failure, often around the 80,000-mile mark. Others mentioned that the vehicle slowly became harder to drive, and the repair bill was in the thousands. One Murano owner said their car broke down without warning while driving with their kids. That's a serious problem, especially for families depending on a reliable vehicle. If you're shopping for a mid-size SUV, it's better to avoid these Murano years altogether. Kia Forte, 2019. Looks nice, but breaks too soon. The 2019 Kia Forte is Many owners began experiencing issues between 20 and 40,000 miles very early in a car's life. Problems include rough shifting, slipping gears, and sudden loss of power. One person shared that their Forte broke down on the highway, creating a dangerous situation. Another driver complained that the car would hesitate and jerk during every acceleration. For such a new vehicle, these are major red flags. Ford Focus, 2012 to 2017. Legal problems and angry drivers. The Ford Focus from 2012 to 2017 has one of the worst reputations when it comes to transmission reliability, particularly the 2012 and 2013 models. Like its sibling, the Ford Fiesta, it was equipped with Ford's PowerShift dual-clutch automatic transmission, a system that promised better fuel economy and sporty performance. But for thousands of drivers, it delivered the opposite: frustration, breakdowns, and costly repairs. Owners frequently reported violent shaking, hesitation when accelerating, jerky shifts, grinding noises, and even total transmission failure. In some cases, the car would suddenly lose power mid-drive, creating dangerous situations. The issues were so widespread that Ford faced multiple class action lawsuits, ultimately leading to settlements and extended warranties. But even these measures didn't solve the underlying mechanical flaws. Many owners had to return to the dealership again and again for software updates and transmission replacements, some with no lasting solution. If you value reliability and peace of mind, the 2012 to 2017 Ford Focus is a risky bet, better avoided. The 2013 and 2014 Nissan Pathfinder shifted from being a rugged, off-road ready SUV to a more family-friendly crossover. But with that shift came a new set of problems. Most of them centered around its continuously variable transmission, CVT. Many owners have complained about shuddering or shaking during acceleration, hesitation when pressing the gas, and unexpected loss of power. Some even experience total transmission failure before hitting 80,000 miles. These issues aren't just inconvenient, they're dangerous, especially when driving in traffic or with kids in the back seat. To make matters worse, the repair bills for a failed CVT can run into the thousands. There were also several recalls related to transmission issues during these years, leaving buyers unsure of whether the problems were ever truly fixed. While the Pathfinder offers a comfortable ride and a spacious interior, the mechanical reliability is too much of a gamble. If you're looking for a dependable used SUV, it's wise to steer clear of these model years. Nissan Sentra, 2012 to 2015. Another Nissan with CVT trouble. Rounding out our list is another Nissan, the 2012 to 2015 Sentra. Like its siblings, the Rogue, Murano, Altima, and Pathfinder, the Sentra is plagued by severe CVT transmission issues. Owners commonly report loss of power while driving, slow or unresponsive gear changes, jerky movements, and, in many cases, complete transmission failure. Some Sentras broke down with less than 60,000 miles on the odometer. One driver reported their car died completely at just 50,000 miles, far too soon for such a major failure. Drivers mentioned difficulty accelerating when entering highways or climbing hills, which created unsafe driving situations. What's worse is that CVT repairs or replacements are expensive and not always covered under warranty. Even after repairs, some owners claimed the issues returned within a few months. The Sentra may appear to be a budget-friendly option, but the long-term costs and risks far outweigh the initial savings. Buyers should be very cautious with these model years. So, there you have it. 10 used cars you should think twice about. especially if you want to avoid costly transmission repairs. These issues aren't just expensive, they can leave you stranded and stressed. CVTs, dual-clutch systems, and poor reliability have made life tough for many owners of these models. If you're shopping for a used car, do your homework, look up real reviews, check for recalls, and get a mechanic's opinion before buying. A little research now can save you big headaches later. Stay safe out there, and remember, being informed is the best way to protect your money and your peace of mind.